How did we find campsites for a trip of a lifetime? Our pipe dream that encompassed traveling in an RV across the United States and visiting national and state parks had started years ago. We knew we wanted to go on our cross-country trip in the spring, so we made a reservation for the first day camping opened for the season at Yellowstone for May of 2022. Even then we thought it was a pipe dream, yet we believed that if we did not do anything proactively, we would never accomplish the dream. And what? It would only cost us $10 to cancel. A year later, circumstances changed and our pipe dream became a reality. But that reality meant planning a cross-country trip in our new Lance 1995 RV. Our plan was to leave March 31st, 2022, and we made this decision in late 2021. And reality was also that we only had one campsite for Yellowstone in May of 2022. And like all of you, we went onto the computer and started banging away and got nowhere. In addition, we were trying to get into Florida campsites for the following January. And each morning, even getting up at the crack of dawn, we accomplished nothing. We had to do something. And that's when we found the answer. We were able to book with our secret, Blackwoods Campground, Acadia, Gamble Rogers Memorial State Park, Florida, Sebastian Island State Park, Florida, Curry Hammock State Park, the Keys, Florida, the Grand Canyon, Dead Horse Point State Park, Utah, Anastasia State Park, St. Augustine, Florida, Nickerson State Park, Cape Cod, Massachusetts, our hometown, Hammonasset Beach State Park, Connecticut, Bahia Honda State Park, Florida, Charlestown Breachway, Rhode Island, Oregon Inlet Campground, Outer Banks, North Carolina, and Salisbury State Park, Massachusetts. So why don't we stay up late nights anymore? WanderingLabs.com is the answer. Once getting to their website, you search to find the campground you wish to go to. In this example, we use Curry Hammock. Step 2, you enter the date or dates you're willing to arrive and the minimum nights you want to stay. Step 3, enter the site type, the minimum stay length, what your preference is for electric, and in addition, you can also drill into the site and ask for notification for certain sites, as we show you here. Maybe you're trying to upgrade to a better site if one comes available. Example, we recently just moved up to waterfront in a campground. Step 4, enter your email. Hit enter and receive a message. Success! Plus, you will also receive an email confirming your request. Save it for any changes you may make because the link is in it. Seeing is believing again. Look at all my messages from Wandering Labs with sites that I can book into. Go quickly because other people are getting the same text. Before you ask, we receive nothing if you sign up. Hey, try out the service for free by creating up to 3 requests for no cost. The free option does not search as often and only sends notifications via email. Our recommendation, pay the $30, sleep at night, and then get the text so you can get that great campsite too. And shh, don't tell anybody else. Give us a like and subscribe so you can hear some of our other secrets, plus see where we go next.